We are under a storm alert here at NBC26, still looking at that winter storm warning here for Sheboygan, Manitowoc, Kewaunee, and Door counties into tomorrow morning. West of that, we have a winter weather advisory for the rest of the viewing area. Storm Shield radar shows lake effect snow bands continuing to develop across the lake and then move west towards the Fox Valley. As we zoom in here just a little bit closer, you can see the most concentrated area of snow showers is running from southern Brown County through Manitowoc County and then north across the Door Peninsula, where once again some areas have just gotten pounded over the last 24 hours. 10 to 18 inches so far across parts of central and northern Door County, and it's still snowing, and those totals will go up. 18 inches in Ephraim, 16 inches in Bailey's Harbor. We had about 9 inches in Two Rivers. Meanwhile, in Green Bay, not much, at least compared to that, only about 2 inches. Here's a look at SkyCast showing lake effect snow showers continuing from roughly the Fox Valley east as we head throughout the night. In fact, it looks like another band of heavier lake effect snow may develop late tonight into tomorrow morning and then slowly work south along the lakeshore as we head towards daybreak on Tuesday. And that means another 3 to 6 inches of snow is likely near the shoreline of Lake Michigan as we move through tonight into tomorrow morning. Further west, away from the lake, the totals will be much, much less, dusting to perhaps another inch or so, which is going to bring totals into that 3 to 5 inch range for much of the viewing area, less north and west of the Fox Valley, and obviously much more towards the shoreline of Lake Michigan. Some areas will end up with 20 inches of snow, although some locally higher amounts are possible, especially from Bailey's Harbor up towards Ephraim and Sister Bay, excuse me. So lake effect snow continuing at times throughout the night. It'll be heavy, especially right near the shoreline of Lake Michigan. We're going to have some gusty winds, and that will produce some blowing and drifting snow. So how does lake effect snow develop? Well, you need cold air moving over relatively warm water. That creates an unstable air mass. Typically, that happens on the other side of Lake Michigan, but last night we had cold air blowing in from the south, and that developed a lake effect snow band that moved inland across parts of Door County and then remained rather stationary throughout most of the night, slowly working west as we moved into the early morning hours before dissipating. This evening, we're not looking at one heavy snow band. We have several little bands that are still producing light to moderate snow at times. 20 degrees right now in Green Bay, away from the lake. You can see the snow is light. Visibilities are not that bad. In Appleton, it is 21 with some very light snow and northeast winds at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. The system responsible for the snow is passing to our south. High pressure will start to build in from the west as we head into tomorrow. Underneath that ridge of high pressure, frigid conditions, highs only in the single digits above and below zero. Here in northeast Wisconsin, we had lower to mid-20s, which is typical for today. And by the way, today is the coldest day of the entire year. If you have to just pick one day, today's that day. So we are at the heart of winter. Tomorrow is going to be another chilly one. Maybe a couple of snow showers early, especially near the lake, and then a chance for a flurry as we move through the afternoon. High temperatures will be in the lower to mid-20s. SkyCast shows away from the lake as we head through tomorrow and into Tuesday. The weather is going to be relatively quiet, just a couple of flakes from time to time. So tonight, lake snow showers, especially near Lake Michigan. Overnight lows will be near 12. Tomorrow, sun and clouds. A few flakes are still possible. High temperatures will be in the lower to mid-20s. On Wednesday, sun and clouds, 21. Chance for an isolated shower on Thursday as some warmer weather moves in. In fact, we're looking at the second January thaw of the month, close to 40 on Saturday before a big storm develops across the central part of the country. We'll have to watch that one. There's lots of question marks. High temperatures on Sunday and Monday will be in the lower half of the 30s.
Yeah, but just get through today. You got a little bit of Wednesday and Thursday to look forward to. It's better at least those days. Yes.
Once we get past it today, we'll look forward to another January thaw, and then after that, another storm.
All right, everyone, be patient out there. Thank you so much, Cameron. Well, still to come, a Racine woman has social media to thank for finding a kidney donor for her mother. Check it out after the break. Welcome back. There's been an uptick in the number of people catching the flu this year.